Hey everyone, let's familiarize navigation within the viewport. You can use the following methods to navigate the three-dimensional space. First one is focus. To focus, click a prim and press the F key. Focus control zooms the viewport camera in on a specific prim. Next one is orbit. Hold the Alt key and the left mouse button and move the mouse. The orbit control rotates the viewport camera around a given point. Next one is pan. To pan, hold the Alt key and middle mouse button and move the mouse. Moves the camera parallel to the viewing plane is the pan action. Next one is dolly. Scroll on your mouse wheel or hold the Alt key and right mouse button and move the mouse. The dolly control moves the camera forward and backward in the space. These are the methods. Thanks for watching.